Okay, today we're gonna replace the brake master cylinder 96 Toyota Camry stick shift. I don't think that matters, but it's a rear drum front disc. As you can see on the bottom, there's some oil leakage from the back of the master cylinder. Also, it leaks from the seals under the tank. Didn't get a tank because I got a rebuilt master cylinder, so hopefully there's nothing wrong with the tank itself. I'm gonna take the master cylinder out and I'm gonna swap the tank, and hopefully that's all I have to do. So first thing first, gonna put a pan underneath. You're gonna lose that one line and that one line, and then there's those two 12mm bolts right there on each side, and it's actually fairly straightforward. So those are 10mm flare nut, what do you call a box? Anyway, I have them in my matrix. Okay, so 10mm. I should have one. I need to put my glasses on, but anyway, I believe this is 10, 11 and 12. No, it's not. 10. Alright, that's 10. That's what we need for here. So basically this one reaches inside the tube and then it locks up to that in a way that it doesn't strict the bolt. Okay, so let me get to work. I'm gonna take that off. And got a new one on the box over there. Okay, so this is the old master cylinder. I took it out. I'm gonna take out that screw over there and remove the reservoir, because I'm gonna be transferring it over to the new master cylinder. It's a fairly easy job. Should take me like 2-3 minutes to do that. Okay, see you later. Okay, I swapped the tank. It's on the new one. Give it a clean as much as you can to the tank. Took that filter off and clean up a little bit on this side. This side I couldn't clean up that much. So, but anyway, it's not as good as new, but it should not leak anymore. Yet the old one, the seal over here actually was coming off. So it's not even holding. It's all, you know, so it was leaking from that. I'm pretty sure this one was bad too. So, but anyway, hopefully that will work. There was actually nothing wrong with the master cylinder itself, you know, but you know, might as well change it. 49 bucks aftermarket rebuilt. So now it's new, like new. Okay, next step. After you install the master cylinder, you got it all nice and bolted up. You see, I don't have the lines in yet. All I have these two bleeder tubes over here connected and looped inside back into the chamber. You can see the bubble popping up. That's because the master cylinder has no oil in there. It's only air. So by pumping on it, it's gonna push the air out back in the chamber and suck oil in instead of air. So that's what that loop is there for. And every couple pumps I had to check, make sure we still have fluid in it, because you don't want air to go back inside. All right, let me do that part. Okay, so we got the master cylinder purged, and now next step is take those purging lines out and install the brake lines, and hopefully everything is good. No, shouldn't be too much air inside those lines, but you know, may have to bleed them also from the wheels. All right, so let me get to work on that. Okay, everything is mounted. I already purged the brakes a little bit and I don't see any visible leaks, so that so far so good. What you see over there is from before, but from around the threads, everything looks pretty dry. I mean, I dried as much as I could, but it don't look like it's leaking anything. So I'm gonna take it out for a ride. If you like what you see, please like the video and subscribe. Help me out. Thank you. Bye.